The Mineral Law in Africa Chair is there to create a hotbed in which to cultivate more expertise on mineral law frameworks around Africa.
It's part of our Afropolitan vision to be a university playing a role in Africa and making a contribution.
Africa needs to begin to develop its own intellectual capital and rely and be self-sufficient.
Countries that are well endowed with mineral wealth very often display poor governance structures, poor accountability structures, and that results in the countries not benefiting from the mineral resource wealth that they have.
UCT has supported government's program, both in South Africa and in the SADC region, in providing top standard, world-class research expertise.
The benefit of having a research institution at a university is that you get this incredible intellectual capacity which can change patterns that no longer serve us.
The Specialised LLM consists of a number of courses. Some of them are compulsory and some of them are elective. They're all designed to speak to the different constituents that may be involved in the extractives industry.
This is a necessary program and is very timely given that a number of African countries have recently discovered oil and gas, for example, and they need to ensure that these are optimally exploited and there is maximum benefit flowing to Africans.
The collectivity of researchers that we have there, both at undergrad and postgrad level, is amazing.
Previous graduates who have been part of the chair, who are now working in different industries, are also incorporated in the teaching aspects of the chair.
So you get expertise in all kinds of different aspects that can give input to your specific research.
We understand both the developed country perspective and the developing country perspective.
The courses have been run already as part of the generalized LLM program of the UCT Law faculty. So that means we have already had students doing the courses in the past.
The mineral law courses have been very interesting because they're all very specialized. So they look at different aspects of mining law, and we've had many students from different African countries, which has made for really interesting classroom discussions.
What I was particularly drawn to with this LLM is its interdisciplinary nature. It places the law in the context of its application and how it interfaces with other aspects of mining communities and mineral extraction and use.
Gives you a lot of opportunities, may it be in the economy, may it be in the public sector, may it be even as a lobbyist. It is so important for Africa.
We've seen a number of students, especially African students, interested in understanding how mineral resources are managed in Africa, and they're getting interested in getting into this course so they can grab the knowledge they need.
What I would like to achieve is to implement better regulatory systems.
I aim to advise the government, especially when it comes to negotiating mining contracts with multinational companies, to ensure that the local communities are involved.
We need to start thinking more about the communities who need to live post-mining closure and need to be enriched and benefited in some way thereafter.
So I'd love to just help develop legislation better, develop policy in the mining world, and perhaps increase investor confidence.
Our works thus far has been to utilize UCT's existing expertise to assist national government to coordinate and understand the challenges with local authorities in managing mining industry.
Africa is a bit for a program of this nature to really have been conceived here and for the benefit of Africa.